Hello everyone, how are you today? It's Kay. So this is the 26th of October on Tuesday. So since I got the throat ache today, I think today's live stream will be a bit shorter. Maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I will just do it and rest my throat. It happened from last night. I got the throat ache and I took some medicine. And it's getting better, but still I got the kind of sore in the throat. So probably I will just end it a bit earlier time. But I just wanted to say hi to everyone and share my analysis today. And that's why I decided to do live stream. So yeah, please enjoy my analysis until the end of the live today. All right, and also I changed the volume of the BGM today a bit higher. So if it's too high or too low, please let me know about the BGM, background music. I hope it's okay. Okay, so let me just close my window. And just a quick disclaimer as usual. This content is basically based on my own experience and knowledge. So when you take trades, please do at your own risk. And also, since this is a live stream, if you can please follow the rules and guidelines, that would be great. So yeah, let me say hi to everyone quickly. All right. Thank you for joining, everyone. Good to see you here. All right. Sai, good to see you. And Chris, welcome to the Ichimoku community. Thank you for joining. So make sure you access to my webpage and come to this site, how to join K's Ichimoku community, and scroll down and also click here to join Ichimoku Discord and connect to YouTube with Discord and get all the perks. But I hope you master Ichimoku Kinko Hyo in my Ichimoku community, Chris. So thank you for joining. All right, so let's see who else is here. James, good to see you too. Thanks for joining. All right, and William, Ash, Yumit, Wong, and Victor, Orvin. Good to see you, everyone. All right, Arch, and also Ash, Asif, Camel, hello, good to see you too. All right, Andrew, good to see you too. Thank you for joining. Yeah. It's yeah, I have to drink ginger. Yeah, that's right. Ginger tea helps a lot, I think. Yeah, so after this live stream, I think I will drink some tea, maybe ginger tea or some of the other treatment for my throat ache. So yeah, today's live is gonna be a bit shorter. All right. You prefer lower BGM, okay? BGM is nice. Okay. So yeah, let me just stick to this level for today. If it's too loud, please let me know. I will lower the volume on the BGM just to see if its sound is good here. Okay, so yeah, let me turn to the charts. So today I would like to talk about two pairs. One is Euro AUD and the other is Euro Pound, because these two pairs just broke the support level. So I think these are good ones to watch. So first, let me talk about Euro Pound. It just broke the support level of the previous support level was 0.8416, and now it's going down. And like I mentioned on the TradingView account previously, if you can scroll down, then you can find the Euro AUD. I was expecting the market go down continuously, and looks like it is still going down this way. So it just broke the support and looks the downtrend is continuous. So the target next time is 1.5417. I think that will be the potential target, and it's very close right now. So if I switch back to the market, the previous low that was made all the way back in I think it was back in hold on, it was like here around 0.83 86 level was the support from January last year. So the market could retrace backwards at that level, so we have to watch out. But this is downtrend. If the market breaks that level, then most likely it goes down to the support all the way down at 0.8282 level. So and in terms of Ichimoku analysis, we find that the Kumo's down, the Senko span B is down, and the Senko span A is down. And also Kijun Sen is pointing down, and the Chikou span pointing downwards too. And we had the Tenkan Sen resistance yesterday and the day before, and now it's going down. And the Chikou span below the candles, so I expect the market continuously go down to the initial target of 0.8381 level. So after I confirm this downtrend, usually what I do is I look at the 1 hour chart. So I go down to 1 hour chart, and I see 1 hour chart is now flat. It's retracing backwards and now it's consolidating. So I would wait until the Kumo down and Kijun Sen down, and then look for the sell chance in the lower time frames. Otherwise, it might retrace backwards to Kijun Sen or Kumo. So I won't look for a sell chance right now. But you can see that the market has been resisted by the Tenkan Sen in 1 hour chart. So in this kind of pattern, as long as market is below the Tenkan Sen, it's still bearish. But when it breaks it and when it retraces back to the Kijun Sen, then this downtrend probability will become lower. So simply I wait for the Kumo down and Kijun Sen down to look for the sell chance, as long as market is below the Tenkan Sen in 1 hour chart. So that's Euro Pound. And if you sell right now, or if you're holding some sell on Euro Pound right now, then you expect the market go down. But once the market retraces back to Kijun Sen, then you better exit in 1 hour chart, is my advice. So, and the next one is Euro AUD. I wanted to talk about this one also, because Euro AUD daily chart, it broke the previous support level also. So now this is a continuous downtrend, and you see the Kumo down. The Kumo Senko span B is down, and A is down, and Kijun Sen down, Tenkan Sen down, and the Chikou span below the candles. So this is bearish market. It's a stable bearish market. So the market has been below the Tenkan Sen here, and it retraced back to Tenkan Sen 2 days ago, but now it's still pointing downwards. So I think this is continuous bearish, so I look for the sell chance still. But just like I mentioned on the Euro Pound, Euro AUD, if I look at the 1 hour chart, it's flat, ranging. So this is not a good timing to sell yet. Basically, I wait for the Kumo down, Kijun Sen down in 1 hour chart to sell, and most likely happens because the market is below the Tenkan Sen, so it's bearish. But when you see Kumo flat and Kijun Sen flat, that means the market is flat, ranging, and that means the buyer's power and seller's power are in 50-50 equilibrium. So that's why I say that this is range. In price action wise, this is bearish. The market has been on this bearish in the wave, so it could go down this way. But in terms of Ichimoku, because we see Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat in 1 hour chart, it's range. So that means the market might retrace back to the Kijun Sen. And due to this probability of the retracement, I won't sell here. So simply I wait for the market to break the support level, or simply wait for Kijun Sen and Kumo down and look for the sell chance. So you can also draw this P wave. This is a squeezing P wave, like in this way. Hold on. Yeah, you can draw this squeezing P wave, and just wait for the P wave breakout downwards. towards this way. Just wait for the breakout, and then that might be a good sell chance too. Otherwise, it may retrace back to Kijun-sen or the upper level of this P wave, and it may continue to be in a range. So yeah, simply just waiting for the P wave breakout and or the Kumo down, Kijun-sen down, and look for the sell chance right now. So that's Euro AUD. And I think these two pairs, Euro Pound, Euro AUD, are the most interesting markets for today because they break the previous low. In other markets, I have screen charts previously before the live stream starts, and I see some ups and downs, but they are pretty much at the resistance or support level, or it's kind of below the resistance or above the support still. So, for example, Euro JPY is still retracing. Today is bullish, but it's still retracing. The Kumo's up, but Kijun-sen flat, so the market might retrace back to Kijun-sen in this case. And Euro CAD, you see Kumo down, Kijun-sen down, but the market is ranging still. It doesn't break the previous support yet. So we have to wait. We can look for the sell chance right now and expect the market breaks. But as compared to these two pairs, Euro Pound, Euro AUD, this is weaker in its downtrend because it hasn't broken the previous support level yet. So, I screen other pairs, and other pairs are like this situation, like this one too. USD CAD, the Kumo down, Kijun-sen down, but the market is above the support level. So in this case, I prefer Euro Pound, Euro AUD to look for the sell chance. So yeah, I think that's my analysis. So yeah, let's see. Let me come back to some comments now. So once again, this is 26th of October on Tuesday. And since my throat condition is not really good, most likely I will end the live in a shorter time. Maybe I will end it in 50 minutes or so and just rest myself. And especially in this kind of situation, when my condition is not really good, I basically stay away from charts and I won't really take trades. So today is my relaxing day basically. I think body health and mental health are so connected, so we have to maintain in both health in order to take trades and in order to make right decisions to take trades. So yeah, let me see. Let me come back to some comments now. Isa says, yesterday for Euro USD, Senko span B was flat, price was between Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen. But you normally say we should wait for Senko span B, Kijun-sen, Tenkan-sen to all point in the same direction before considering entry. Yeah, that's true. That's what I do. So this is an ideal condition. Euro Pound, you see Kumo down, Kijun-sen down, and also Tenkan-sen down. So this is an ideal condition. But if you look at the Euro USD, you see the Kumo flat and Kijun-sen flat still. And so that market is ranging. And when you see Kumo flat, Kijun-sen flat like this, I mentioned it previously, was that the power balance between buyers and sellers are like 50-50. So we don't know which way the market goes. Most likely, market retraces back to the Kijun-sen when the lines are flat like this. And that's why I won't look for the sell chance in this one. So trading is all about probability. So we have to be able to capture exactly which market has higher probability for the market direction. And you only take trades when you see such market and towards the direction of the higher probability for your direction. Yeah. So yeah, let's see. James says, watching USD CAD bearish. All right, USD CAD, yep, it is bearish. We see Kumo down, Kijun-sen down. But if you see price action, it's a bit ranging still above the support level. So I think we better forecast Euro Pound and Euro AUD for today. Orvin says, hi Kay, can you do barrel play on Euro AUD and talk about management fake out? For example, I took sell at 2:55 a.m. UTC today based on KTS strategy and it reversed during London session. Alright, Euro AUD, you took the sell, but the market retraced backwards and now it's going down. So yeah, so let me go back to the 5-minute chart and briefly talk about the price action and if there was any potential, any ways to avoid such a fake out. So, oh yeah, over here, if you look at it here, there was a downtrend, but afterwards it went backwards. So you took a sell at 2:55 a.m. UTC. So which was exactly over here. You took the sell over here to 55 UTC time zone. So after this, the market went downwards a little bit and then it retraces backwards. So if I take a sell here, if I place the sell here, let me put this in a dotted line so that this is the trading level. So I just make it dot. So let's say take a sell here at 1.5455 and my stop loss will be above the previous high in 5, which will be here or here. So I think the first stop loss, I think this might be too tight. Let me just measure it and see how many pips it was. So this was, okay, this was 30 pips. 30 pips stop loss is available, decent. So I will put the stop loss here and keep holding the sell. And the market initially goes down towards my direction and afterwards it retraces backwards. So most likely when it happens, I will exit here. I will exit exactly at this level, 1.5426. As soon as market retraces against the major direction in 5, I will simply exit here. Yeah, so in this case, I won't lose 2%. So usually, I take 2% per trade for the risk to the stop loss. But if I exit here, the risk or the drawdown for this one will be less than 1%. So I will just cut the loss very soon here and look for other opportunity. Yeah, that's what I will be doing usually when I see charts. So yeah, I think exit timing is the very key also. I think entry timing is important, but psychologically exit timing is more difficult because when you enter the trades, then we have hope, we have will to make profit. But when it comes to exit with the loss, then you have to admit the fact that the market doesn't go towards the direction and you have to confirm the loss. In psychologically, it's of course more difficult and it's more painful, and that's why I think you have to limit the losses very small so that make sure you don't lose big on your trades. All right, yeah, good to see you. Thank you for joining. Oh, looks like it's loading. I hope the streaming is okay today. Maybe it's freezing, I'm not sure. I can see that there is some error in the internet. So I hope live stream is okay today. All right, good to see you. Thank you for joining, everyone. Great to see you here. Oh, Robert, thank you for joining on your birthday. Good to see you. Thank you for joining. Wow, you're so serious to study the Forex on Ichimoku. That's good. And I hope you have a great time with family and friends on your birthday today. All right, Gautam says, hi Kay, your strategies are found helpful in options also. Thank you for sharing. Oh, that's good news. Thank you for sharing your experience also. Yeah, I don't really trade options, so I'm not sure if it works. But as long as it works for you, that's perfect. All right. Yeah, good to see you. Thanks for joining. All right. Arkback says, do you use leverage? Yes, I do. I use leverage up to 20. Yep. Up to 20, I use it. He says, by the way, thank you for your added analysis yesterday. USD/JPY up 50 pips after confirming. Oh, that's good. That's a great news. Okay. Yeah, so hopefully live stream is okay today. I see some like a loading like an icon on this screen. So in case if there's any connection issues, please let me know. Okay, let's see. Zebra says, hello K, I was short euro pound, but price started retracing. Should I wait to adjust stop loss or should I put stop loss at the break even? So euro pound is going down right now. So it depends on when you place a sell. But if you see the market is going down, in this case it's going down, and about to break the support level in 5, which is 0.8402 level, you can move it to the break even. But do not move the break even too soon, because if that's the case, if you do it, you will be having too many break even trades,